How to add a border between sections on Squarespace. To do that, first head over to your Squarespace website. Once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is to head over to this website option. Now, from in there, click onto this pages or any page that you want to edit. I have in here this home page, so let's click onto this edit right here. Once you're in there, next thing you need to do is to just proceed to add a border. So how you can do that? So hover to the section above where you want the border to appear. So I have in here this section and then this section. So hover to this section above, and then after that, click onto the option which is edit section. Once you have opened that, you should be able to see in here. We have the styling, which is divider. So for this, make sure to turn this on. After that, a divider will open, and here we have the shape option. So as you can see, we have this shape, which is also kind of cute. But if you want to change that, you can head over and click onto this right here and change the actual divider and how it will be presented. You can change it on the preset that we have right here. You can also change right here the colors, the height, the flip, as well as everything that you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.